Good evening, everyone. I'm Jenny, your friend, your neighbor, and your sister. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Jenny Chronicles. I would like to talk to you personally regarding today. Today is a very significant day here in Canada and in US. Today is Labor Day. And today I am grateful and thankful and proud of everybody who are working, who are volunteering, who are resting, and to those who are waiting to have work in the workforce. I am really grateful, and I will shout out from the bottom of my heart that I am grateful for all the caregivers, for the construction workers, for the security guards, for hotel workers, for healthcare workers, for the lawyers, for the doctors, for the IT employees, the one who are really giving us this all, the IT people. They are really doing their best in order to provide us a good service, a data service. To those who are working in the farm, to the farmers, the fishermen, the construction workers, to the project managers, to the leaders of the government, to the public sectors, to the private sectors, to those employees in the private and public sectors, and to those lumber guys, the foresters, to those who are working in the forest, to those who are working in the lakes, to those who are working in the busy parks, to those who are national parks, to those who are providing recreations, to those nurses, to those all healthcare workers, all kinds of securities, bankers, to those who are really working. Shout out to all of you. Shout out to those hard work in this challenging time. I mean, this Labor Day is very significant. This Labor Day is very important to feel that we are working for one another. It's not about me. It's not about just others. It's all about us working together for a common goal, to have a safety community. I've been observing that that everyone is following social distancing. Everyone is following the rules of every institution. If you're going to a restaurant, you have to follow 2 meters apart. So you're following the rules of those employees who are working them, so they become safe too. So everyone, shout out to you. I mean, I'm grateful that we are really working so hard. So right now, I want to tell you more about the historical background of Labor Day. Labor Day is remembered and celebrated every first Monday of September. It is a creation of the labor movement and dedicated to the social economic achievements of American workers in the US since 1892, and in Canada, the labor movement was created since 1894. So shout out to those people who founded this labor movement. This constitutes a yearly national tribute to the contributions of workers who have made the strength, prosperity, and well-being of the country. So shout out to everyone, to every single person in the community, working for the community. I'm really glad that we are a team. You, me, others, we are a team. I cannot work alone. You cannot work alone. others cannot work alone without their partner, without their supervisor, without their doctors, without the paralegals. I mean, without the other construction worker, without the other housekeeper, without the other caregiver. Everyone has a partner. Everyone has a team. A task cannot be completed without the others. So shout out to everyone who are working. I mean, shout out to everyone who are really persevering in this challenging time. Resiliency, commitment, dedication, respect, and kindness towards others are really being the motto of Labor Day. Labor Day is not just about oneself. It's about others too. So I am really grateful. I am really glad that we are here to support one another. So tap yourself. Be proud of yourself. Be proud of yourself. Be proud of being there for others. Even though you're in the hospital, when you see those housekeeping cleaning the hospitals, they're very important, especially nowadays. Those porters who are bringing up back and forth of those patients, they're very important. So every single person, the dietary aides, without their service to bring foods back and forth, they are really important as well. So every single one of us are important. And also, I would like to shout out that today, Labor Day, is the last day of summer, wherein everybody can enjoy, everybody can have be with their family and friends, and everybody can enjoy the day with a blast. So you can if you're watching this, you have still time to go for a drink, or to go to talk with your friends, to message your friends Happy Labor Day, and to pat yourselves. Wow, I made this through. I made this far. So thank you guys. I mean, thank you so much for a wonderful day. Thank you very much for being the best of you in this challenging time. You are resilient, you are kind, you are smart, you are wise, you're just you. Thank you so much. And to those volunteers, thank you from the bottom of my heart, from volunteering your time in an institution or in a work that you are not paid for. Thank you for doing that for the community. And to those who are not yet working, and to those who are not yet working, you have time to. Employers will give you a job. Employers will give you the best shot ever. Just wait for your turn. And to those who are rejected from the job, don't worry. There will be much better opportunity for you. There will be much more better work opportunity. This time, if you can have that particular job of yours, enhance your skills, enhance your interest, enhance the skills that needed to that particular job, or study just like me. Today is the last day of summer, but tomorrow is the start of fall semester. So a lot of students will go back to class for fall semester. So everyone has to do tasks. So everybody is important in a community. This year, particular 2020, the theme for me of Labor Day is all about being of service to others, being of service to the community, being of service to all other people, not just for me but for others. So we have to fully serve our community to make it safe. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice evening.